Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Ford E-350. It's a side entry, it's wheelchair accessible. We've got a lift back here. To get this lift to operate, you have to have ignition on. The emergency brake has to be set. We open up our doors here manually, slide right open, just like so, or actually flip right open, turn the lift on. Those three things have to be done, and then hit the unfold button. So again, ignition on, emergency brake set, have to turn the lift on. As this folds down, you can see, got two stages. Second stage, we hit the down button. 34-inch wide lift, 55 inches deep. You got 67 inches of headroom inside the van, and then 75 inches once you're inside the van. Lots of room. You can see it's got the lights to be ADA compliant. Got your seat belt there for safety. Flips down to the ground. And I'll come around here to the front just to show you the interior of the van. It's got your steps, got your power sliding door here, the flip door, I'm sorry. Doors right here. They work great. You can hear that radio works. But I'll turn that down so we can talk here. This will hold 9. 4 over here, the driver, plus 3 wheelchairs. Currently has one set of 2 tie downs in it. We can throw additional sets in at additional cost. And these seats here, they will flip up. So you can actually flip these seats up. Very easy to do. We push down here, fold it forward, and then we push down a little bit, flip it up. Look at that. I can do it basically with one hand. You can do it with that seat too. So you actually get 5 people in here plus, gosh, I don't know, 5 or 6 wheelchairs. Gives you tons of versatility in here. As long as I'm in here, I'll show you how clean this interior is. We took this on trade from a facility that uses these vans obviously quite a bit. They wanted to upgrade to something a little smaller, a little newer. Put that seat back down there just like so. See how easy that is to do. So headliner looks great. The air conditioner works amazing. Got all your tie down shoulder harnesses in here and everything. It's even got the back emergency handle door if you need to exit out the back for emergency or something like that. Very nice, very clean interior. Never been smoked in. Got all your rear air controls up here. You're sliding the passenger doors there. Air works great up here, and the interior is in excellent condition. Now this van, actually, and I have the receipts for it, I'm going to show them to you. Had a new engine put in about 30,000 miles ago, and had a new transmission put in about 15,000 miles ago. So the lift has worked great for us every time we've used it. It's holding the up button here. The tires, while I'm waiting, I'll show you. They have about 11, 12, 30 seconds to tread, so they're darn near brand new, both front and back. The tires won't be a problem. This van has been very well taken care of. A little older, but you know, for the price, got low miles, new engine, new transmission recently in it. Give these doors a good push shut here. Make sure you latch that. Be ready to roll. A quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows for privacy and to keep you cool in the summer months. It's got a few minor scratches and things on it. Look, this is a 10-year-old van. It's not perfect by any means. But if you're looking to haul a handful of people at an affordable price with a reliable vehicle that's been very well taken care of, yeah, this might be the answer for you. You hear me talk about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vans. Simple. How we do it is low overhead. We've got one central location. We're right here in Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. You know, if we were in New York, I could not ship this to Los Angeles for free. I couldn't afford to do it. We're right in the middle of the country. That's one advantage for us. The second thing is one location. I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 50 locations, whatever they might have. I want you to imagine all the overhead. Trust me, I know how much this place costs to run every month. I can only imagine having 5, 10 locations or more. Yeah, I'd have to raise my prices because overhead is very expensive on a building, employees, utilities, maintenance, all that good stuff. That's how we beat their prices by so much. There's no magic trick to it. It's not too good to be true. It's low overhead. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Why I say that, a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace, folks, Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a car. They take my pictures, they cut out our sign up there, and what they do is they post this on the internet for, say, $15,000 with a $2,000 deposit. They're trying to get you to send that deposit with your credit card. Say to them, I want a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. This van is right here in my possession, and today's date is June 25th. So make sure the date, their name. They can't do it because they don't have the vans. They can't duplicate that sticker. That's very important. Protect yourself. Get a picture or a video of that sticker. Before I get over to the Carfax, I want to show you transmissions here in Wichita, Kansas. They have an invoice number. Put a new transmission in. December of 2022, the miles were 96,000 miles, so approximately 15,000 miles ago. $4,600. Had a 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty on it, so it's good until December 9th, 2024, or about 24,000 miles from there. So still got about 9,000 miles left on the transmission, or till December. Have all the maintenance records here, what they did on these. They kept to keep track of these for the state. And it has the new engine was put in December 17th, 2021, 83,000 miles. Has the, also came at a price tag of over $8,000 when it was all said and done, a 3-year, 36,000 miles. So December 2024, or about 120 on the miles. So both the engine and transmission are still under full warranty. These will come with the title, whoever buys this van. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. Check this out. One owner, 60 service records. They'll show a minor accident. I'm going to show that to you. Like I said, corporate vehicle. Last owned here in nice salt rust-free Kansas. As I scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, tons of maintenance records. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Alright, so Carfax does show a mileage discrepancy. Let me explain this here real quick. You can see this Carfax on our website. Mileage inconsistency. So you scroll down here through all these service records, all 60 of them. The miles all add up. You can do all this yourself. They're all chronological order. Then you get to the very last service record. See, all in 107, 108, 109, 110. Then they have 13,657, February of 2024. Obviously, someone put the wrong number in accidentally, so I spoke with James over at GK Tire and Auto. He was very helpful. Sent me this picture of when we had it in service last time, February 9th, 2024. Mileage out 112,630. That all adds up. This looks like a mistake made by Carfax. The miles are accurate on this vehicle. I can explain more in depth if you need me to. But again, the accident shows March 10th, 2017. So 8 years ago, vehicle involved in a rear-end collision with another motor vehicle, damaged the front. Functional damage reported. No airbags went off. There was no frame damage. And again, that was 8 years ago. So anyways, 7 years ago. So over 7. So anyways, good clean Carfax on the vehicle. Tons of service. No matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation. Look at us on eBay. 1,572 transactions, 100% positive feedback. I say that's a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people all the time, they tell me horror stories about how they bought from a dealer with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews right there, or they dealt with the general public, someone with no reputation to check up on. End up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people selling stolen vehicles. If they end up buying a vehicle had a salvage title, flood damage, mechanical issues, major mechanical issues they weren't told about. So hey, if you want those 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences with a purchase this size, you go ahead and roll your dice with the low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the bus. We got the 2 keys. We have lots of extra keys here for sure working the side doors, all the compartments on this van. But inside the van, like I mentioned, very clean interior. I've already shown you all the interior. I'm going to go ahead and start the van up, and you'll see current miles. 112,980 was it? There we go, 112,980. No check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS, none of that. Air conditioner works great in this thing. I'm gonna shut the doors. There we go. Shut those doors. Got the rear air up there. Got all the manual windows, so one less thing to break on you. And of course, I've had my mechanic check all the fluids, check the tires, brakes, heat, air, cruise. We checked everything on this van. It's a very clean van. But we do not run these vans through the car wash. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood has a 5.4 V8 reminder, less than 30,000 miles on it, and still under warranty. Idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of rust, being up north or being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures. They assume because it only has 100 12,000 miles on, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood, and that's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to check out my competition. I don't care who they are. Private individual, another dealer, I don't care. But I want you to ask yourself, do they show their reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? If they get on their hands and knees, they even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of any flood or frame damage under the van. They get up on an overpass. Yeah, I'm gonna go get up on this overpass here in a few minutes and get you pictures and finish up the video of this roof so you can see no damage to the roof. So, yeah, you know how many vehicles I see, especially this size. We get up on a ladder, we check the roof. So many of them have holes in the roof, horrible hail damage, big old creases from getting hit up top because they don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So you tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for, or it's got frame damage from an accident or flood and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both of those cases and in many more situations, if it won't pass inspection, if you can't get a title, you just bought a big old paperweight if you can't get it registered. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a pair of Nikes off of Amazon. This is a big purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay for them up front because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. I want only the best on a purchase of this size. You should demand that as well. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reviews and reputation. Do not risk buying as is. Do not be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. This meets the specs of getting the full transmission and engine warranties as well. And we have long-term extended warranties also. So demand that warranty. Do not risk buying as is. So let's get her out for a test drive. All right, the final portion of the video, I like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this little bus home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure the van is roadworthy, runs and drives nice down the highway, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I'm not going to get there very fast, but I'll see if I can pop it up to 70 miles an hour, show you it runs and drives good. Now keep in mind, it does meet the specs to be under all the warranty, the engine and for the drivetrain on the 2 separate installs. We do sell long-term extended warranties that cover not only like the drivetrain, but also the lift as well. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online, but they have hidden the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got dock fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You see that cruise works, by the way. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their fees, and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, especially for a vehicle this size, that real nice price you saw online jumped $3,000 or $4,000, maybe even $5,000. So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. Question for you. If someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try to make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. I'm gonna give the little bus a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp so you can see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Here we go. Nice and easy, yep. Runs and drives great. So if you'd like to call or preferably text us, if you text anyone in our operation, we can get back to you ASAP. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text and reach out to me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this bus, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Financing on this bus will be a little tougher because it is 10 years old. We can sure give it a shot, and for the right candidate, we probably could get financing on this van. So get in touch with me. We can send you an application to your phone or email, or we can take one over the phone if we need to, if computers aren't your thing. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Get in touch with us. We'll explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to see us, we'd love to spend some time with you, but you must make an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. Help us find out what vans you want to look at, get them all in one place for you. Help us maximize your time and save you time, and we can do the same for us as well. Make that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Like I promised you, I'm going to get up here on the roof. I'm going to show you the roof. There's no hail damage up here. It's not all torn up. Hey, I challenge you. I want you to ask one of my competitors selling one of these buses. I want you to tell your owner to get up on an overpass and get you a video about 12 feet in the air up here. I want to see what they'd say. They'll probably laugh you right off the phone. But as always, thanks for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where we go the extra mile and mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today.